This is the man who invented the stop sign. And if he were alive today and an expert on credit, I imagine he would tell you to do one thing. Stop in the name of credit repair. Seriously, it's time to stop paying companies to repair your credit reports. In this video, I'm going to tell you the hows and whys of DIY credit repair, how to avoid scams, and why DIY credit counseling can be a good idea. Ready, set, let's go. I'm Jonathan, and this is Elevate PrimeTime. Credit reports can play a big role in our lives. They can influence whether we get a job or an apartment. They can determine whether we get good interest rates on a loan, a new credit card, or whether we can even buy a house. So it's not surprising that when things aren't right on our reports, we want to fix them. What's also not surprising is that a ton of people turn to credit repair companies to help them clean things up. It's estimated that credit repair is a $3.4 billion a year industry. That's a lot of zeros. Many companies charge between $70 and $150 per month. Unfortunately, people aren't getting much for their money. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, or CFPB, has said more than half of people who submitted complaints about credit repair described their issue as fraud or scam. Yikes! Fortunately, repairing your credit isn't that hard to do yourself, and it's free. So here's what's up next. 5 reasons DIY credit repair is the way to go. Here's reason number 1. It's easy. It may seem daunting, like you're going up against this huge, faceless organization that's unwieldy and hard to work with. But the thing is, each of the big 3 credit bureaus have online portals that let you dispute any errors with the click of a button. Why? Because the credit bureaus want the information in their systems to be correct, and they are legally obligated to respond to any dispute within 30 days. It's time for our legal gut check. Lawyers, take it away. All right, on with the show. Reason number 2 why you should do your own credit repair. It's a great way to review your credit report. Using the credit bureau's credit repair websites gives you a chance to review your credit report in detail. It allows you to walk through it and see what needs work. It's like killing 2 birds with 1 stone. You start the process of fixing your credit, plus you get to actually see what's going on in your report. So reason number 3 for not paying a company to repair your credit. Credit repair companies can't do anything you can't do. Wait, what? Credit repair companies don't have some kind of special access to restricted information? No amazing superpowers? Nope, not even in the slightest. Some of them will even imply that they can help remove accurate negative events. Don't believe the hype, because this is hardly ever the case. And we're on to reason number 4 for do-it-yourself credit repair. You're going to have to do most of it yourself anyway. Disputes aren't just about sending a letter. They're about challenging information that's wrong. And you are the only one that would have the documentation that can show that something is wrong. So why pay someone else? The other thing to remember is that inaccurate information rarely originates with the credit bureaus. It's most likely the lender that has it wrong. So you might have to address the problem with the lender directly. A credit repair company can't do this until you tell the lender that they are authorized to speak on your behalf, and you give them the documents to prove the error. See what I mean about having to do most of the heavy lifting anyway? Now, if you find yourself with a particularly difficult case, rather than turning to a credit repair company, a better option is a nonprofit credit counseling agency. While it's not usually free, they are a lot more cost-effective. Nonprofits are simply there to help. And now, reason number 5 to choose DIY credit repair. You're not alone. A lot of excellent resources are out there waiting to help guide you. If you're still skeptical about whether credit repair is something you can handle yourself, head on over to one of those resources, elevate.com. It has a whole section about how to do credit repair on your own, including step-by-step instructions. I'll include the link in the description below. Last thing, Elevate.com also has a really useful tool to help you gain up to 40 points on your credit score fast. It's called Score 40, and it can even help you jump up into a better credit bracket. And it's free. Check it out. Thanks for watching Elevate PrimeTime. Check back soon for more videos that help you get the financial upper hand when it comes to fixing credit, money, and more. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of our videos. Thanks for watching.